Hey everybody, it's Chris from Phoenix with Kids. We're here at the Wigwam. Tonight's gonna be a good night. All right, there was some snacks for us here at the Wigwam. Claire, what'd they leave us?
Swimming stuff.
Swimming stuff?
And I got new goddess.
Do they have a swimming pool here?
Do you know what they have?
I don't know. Here's the snacks. Oh, look, there's
I'm
some
swimming.
cheese. All right, here's the big bedroom with 2 beds. It's like really comfy. Here's a closet and bathroom and shower. Well, we're at the Wigwam here. It's Saturday afternoon. We're gonna go check out the pool. All right, here's the giant water slide here at the Wigwam Resort. All right, what's your favorite thing about this resort, sweetie?
I like the housing.
The housing?
Like little houses, like
Little
casitas
houses?
that you can stay in. It feels, I don't know, just more comfortable and spacious than a regular hotel room.
Okay. You having fun, Claire? All right, there's already a little line over here at the water slide. Oh my gosh. All right, so they have cabanas here at the Wigwam. You can ask for a cabana over here. One of these things behind me. They're pretty sweet. We have a bucket of water, chips and salsa, drinks, that sort of thing. All right, folks, we're here in our little cabana. How's it going, sweetie?
Good.
We got some food. Claire, was the pool nice? Yeah.
I'm the chips.
All right, Emily's got some chips and some music going. Here's our food.
All right, there's perfect.
All right, oh, the sun is setting. All right, so I saw a teepee over here, like a big old one. Some pretty palm trees. I think it's a pretty cool looking wigwam. All right, so this is their practice putting green. You can see all the holes here. And they've got like a place for a bar over here. It's pretty cool. All right, well, our food came. Okay, I got this, which looks amazing. There's rice, mac and cheese, beef and chicken and lettuce. Claire, what'd you get? You got chicken, lettuce, and mac and cheese and rice? You got chicken. You got chicken too, and there's like sauces. So teriyaki and matsu sauce, I think it was. All right, enjoy. All right, good morning. It's Sunday morning here. That's our condo right there, the whole thing. Well, there's actually 3 units here. We got 2 of them. So this resort got its start in 1918 when the Goodyear Tire and Rubber Company needed a space for their executives to stay while they were overseeing farming of cotton in the area. So anyways, that's what this started out as. It had apparently 24 units, and then it got sold to Rex Allen, who is a golf professional, and he turned it into a big golf course. Anyways, pretty interesting history here. It's been here for more than 100 years. Check this out, they got a bocce ball court here. It's pretty nice. There's a pretty cool fountain. All right, that's a wrap from us here at the Wigwam Resort over in Litchfield Park, Arizona. If you're interested in anything else about this resort, check it out at, just Google the Wigwam Resort in Litchfield Park, and look on our website, phoenixwithkids.net. We've got a whole article about this place and this video. Have a great day.
I did this.